Welcome to Beaver County.
Taco Bell, Aliquippa, PA, Broadhead Road. Outstanding experience. This is episode 1 of the Beaver County, PA experience. Population of 166,000. Bordered by, is it Hancock County, West Virginia? Here's Ohio County that borders it. Also bordered by Lawrence to the north, Allegheny to the southeast, and Washington County to the south. Nice little pro shop, cheap range, nice peaceful range. It's a good time, it's a 10 out of 10. Here we are now, we're in Center Township, PA. Papa Duke's gyro right here, fire, 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 fire. We'll stop there in one of these episodes. The once prestigious Beaver Valley Mall, once a Dick's Sporting Goods. JCPenney's fled town. You got Chick-fil-A and a Shogun Hibachi. Let's see what else we got in there. Oh yeah, Chick-fil-A's closed. This is spooky. I feel like I'm in a zombie movie. You got the communist cycle at least, giving bikes back to the community. Oh, we got a GNC. GNC still holding it down in here. Used to be at Dick's Sporting Goods. Gone. Boscov's though, still holding it down. I mean, we could start a whole bike army and that's it. This used to be an FYE. Oh, Rural King. Is Rural King open? Might hop on a bike, dude. Ride one of these things around. PA Career Link. Could come get a job at least. Oh, you still got the old folks community in here. It's pretty nice when they got pool in here. They got, it's like the Taj Mahal of old folks homes. What's this? Power Source Ministry, Youth Ministry. All right. What we got with Rural King? Is it closed? That's all right. Pit Coal Ball. Just stumbled on the Mecca. Look at this. Pit Coal Ball. Cornhole. Ping pong. No one's in there. Old Planet Fitness. Now it's pickleball. Come play some pickleball. They got a ping pong tournament. Well, it was yesterday, but they got a summer pickleball camp. Come have at it. Happy hour deal, $5 Monday through Friday, 7 to 3. I have a job, so I can't do that. If you're retired, there you go. Come play some pickleball. Now you mall walker mile markers. We are evolving as a society. Storage mannequins, not bad. I mean, this kind of breaks my heart a little bit too, especially when I've seen this mall in full force in the early 2000s. It used to be a powerhouse mall, packed. Stores everywhere. All right, here we go. Last area. This is where the Verizon guy used to be. But it was a Fugazi Verizon guy. So he ripped a bunch of people off back in the day. Yeah. I mean, there is a home emporium And the shoe department's still here. The jewelry stand took the day off. This place looks like a mess. Oh, no, he's here. How are you? Army recruiting. Oh, the shoe department looks pretty cool. Got some life in there. Karate. Could do karate. Alright, not too bad. Come get a massage. Boom. Beaver Valley Mall. Still showing it has value. And a U-Haul storage. The Fran Nano Gallery. Alright. What is going on in the world? These are malls. Malls are now art exhibits. I feel like I could get some art in here. Not bad. Pretty inspiring. Charlie's Cheesesteak Pizza and Chick-fil-A, but it's Sunday, so they're closed. We got shoe department, Boscov's Rural King, pickleball, karate, a job center. You could gamble here. So, yeah, the AT&T store. There you go. You can go get a new phone. It's still a good time here. Still a lot to do. Shogun Hibachi Steakhouse looks open. It's the Beaver Valley Mall 2026. What are you gonna do with this thing? You know, I think you turn it into a full-blown casino. I think at this point, put down nice carpet, get those music systems installed, light those cigarettes up, get those slot machines, poker, you know, pai gow, roulette, blackjack tables in there. And let's just make it a casino at this point. Anything but an Amazon warehouse. You know, give these people something to do. Or it might be an AI data center at this point, who knows? All right, folks, we're in the heart of Beaver County right now. We're gonna head southbound, gonna keep it light here for episode 1. One more food stop here for us today. All right, folks, here we are, Roma Catering. Time to get that spaghetti. All right, folks, here we are leaving Roma Catering. Got the bag secured, some of the best spaghetti probably in the world. We are here in Aliquippa, PA. If you've seen my Aliquippa video, we did a little more of a deep dive into specific areas of the town. Very ethnic, Lebanese, Italian, Yugoslavian, Serbian, Croatian to be specific. Got some Ukrainian, got the Ukrainian club right back here actually. Let's go watch the Aliquippa video. Here's the link to it right here. Here we are, folks, back in Hopewell. There's the Fez on our left. Relatively popular wedding venue. You got downtown Hopewell. This is where all the magic happens. Got some restaurants. You got JW Halls over there. You got a grocery store. You have Brewster's Ice Cream right here, some legendary ice cream. You have Ocelli's Pizza here, a nice local chain here. Beer distributor right here. Pick up some beer. Skyline Chiropractic. Go get taken care of by Dr. Zorn, Dr. Zoop. We'll get your back in line right here. Brewed Awakening Coffee on our left. Nice new coffee shop here, open until 4:30 every day. Go get a cup. The south end of Hopewell. It's a nice little community here outside of Pittsburgh, PA. The tail end, this is southern Beaver County, the tail end of it. Franco Harris, famous Steeler running back, rests here in the Serbian cemetery. County episode 1 of the book. Just kind of quick and easy, short little video gets kicked off. We'll be back, a lot more to dive into. See you soon for episode 2.